Hi guys, welcome to ODLS Academy. Today we are going to start beginner chest part 3. First exercise, jumping jack. Start with your feet together and your arms by your side. Then jump up with your feet apart and your hand overhead. Return to the start position, then go to the next step. This exercise provides a fully body workout and works all your large muscles group. Next, incline push-up. Start in the regular push-up position but with your hands evolved on the chair or bench. If you up, exhaling. If you down, inhaling. Then push up your body down using your arm strength and up using your arm strength. Remember to keep your body straight. Okay. Next, knee push up. Start in the regular push up position, then let your knee touch on the floor and raise your feet up off the floor. Breathing normal, down, exhaling, up, inhaling. Next, push up. Lay prone on the ground with the arms supporting your body. Keep your body straight while raising and lowering your body with your arm. The exercise work the chest, shoulder, triceps, back and legs. Breathing is also knee push up and incline same. Next, wide arm push up. Start in regular push up position but your hand is spread wider than your shoulder. Then push your body up and down. Remember to keep your body straight and down to exhaling, up to inhaling your breathing. Repeat again. Incline push up. Start in regular push up position but with your hand evolved on chair or bench. Then push your body up down with using your arm strength. Remember to keep your body straight and down to exhaling or up to inhaling. Next, box push up. Start on all floors with your knees under your butt and your hand directly under your shoulder. Bend your elbow and do a push up. Return to start position and repeat. And breathing are same. Repeat again. Wide arm push up. Start in the regular push up position but with your hand spread wider than your shoulder. Then push your body up and down. Remember to keep your body straight. Breathing is same. Hindu push-up. Start with your hand and feet touching the floor. Body bend and butt up in an upside down V shape. Then bend your elbow to bring your body toward the floor. When your body is closer to the floor, raise your upper body as far as possible. Then return to the original position and repeat. Breathing is normal, but if you down your chest, then exhale, and up your chest, then inhale. Mind it. Next, cobra stretch. Lie down on your stomach and bend your elbow with your hand beneath your shoulder. Exhaling first. Exhaling, then push up your chest up off the ground as far as possible. Hold the position for the 20 seconds. Next, chest stretch. Find a downway. Take a lung position in the doorway with your arm on the door frame and your elbow a little lower than your shoulder. Then slowly bring your chest forward. Hold the position for 30 to 40 seconds. Then slowly come out of it. Bring your arm down and do a couple of shoulder roll. Don't pull a head forward and keep your neck relaxed and breathing normal. वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर इट और बेल आइकॉन पे हिट करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें प्लीज़।